I want to talk about these grilling tongs from Walfos. These were actually a gift for me. I got this for Father's Day. I enjoy grilling and I had some old tongs. They just weren't doing the trick anymore, needed to upgrade, and I got these and I'm impressed so far. You can see right there, this is a pack of two. You've got a shorter one and a longer one. I think this is going to be great depending on what you're cooking on the grill. It can get pretty hot. That long one is going to give you a little bit more reach. Additionally, I think the long one is going to be great for me up here in the Northeast. We do a lot of lobster. Reaching into a boiling kettle, that's going to be perfect to help out and not have things get too hot. I tried them out for the first time and they work great. I love the locking mechanism, makes it easier for them to store. The silicone grips make it very comfortable, and they have great purchase. You can really grab onto something very easily. You can see right there. If you need some great tongs, please click on the link in the description below.